guys, we have here our Mr. International Bulacan 2024, Matt Gregorio. Hi Matt, please tell us something about yourself.
I'm 18 years old po from Bulacan, and I'm the youngest candidate in this Mr. International Philippines 2024.
How old are you?
I'm 18 po.
You're 18.
Yes.
Okay, since you're 18, what is the title you want most from Mr. International Philippines?
Siyempre po, di na po tayo magpapatumpik-tumpik pa. Kaya nga po tayo lahat sumali dito. Lahat naman po kami qualified maging Mr. International Philippines. Siguro yung edge lang namin sa bawat isa. Pero ang gusto ko talaga is yung Mr. International Philippines.
Paano ka mapunta ka sa sa team?
Okay lang po, pero yun pa rin po talaga yung goal ko.
So, are you still in school?
Yes po, I'm grade 12 STEM student po. In City of San Jose del Monte National Science High School. My favorite subject po is math. So that's why I will take engineering.
Why do you join Matlab?
Para po marinig ng mga kabataan ngayon, at hindi lang mga kabataan, kundi mga taong walang boses na nakakaranas po ng mental health issues. Yes po, 3 years ago, my dad passed, so nahirapan ako, nakaranas ako ng depression and marami pang iba. Kaya gusto kong matulungan naman ibang tao dahil na-overcome ko yun. Yun lang po.
What age did your father die? What age were you?
I'm 15 lang po. Kaya
How were you able to at a very young age? How were you able to cope up with your dad?
syempre naman po, with the help of God, lahat po na naranasan natin, lahat po na nahihirap, kunyari po, halimbawa po, nahihirapan tayo or ano man, kailangan natin yung seek ng help ni God. Masasabi ko lang po, wag po kayo mahihiyang humingi ng tulong sa bawat isa. Simpleng pagtatanong lang sa kanila ng kamusta na kayo, malaking tulong na yun para malabas nila yung sa lobby nila and nararamdaman nila.
But you are, we may consider front runner already.
I don't know yet po. Pero dahil nakita ko nga po sila, yung mga kalaban ko po, marami pa po ako kailangan i-prove sa sarili ko. Kaya kailangan talaga ng seryosong laban.
Have you joined the pageants before?
Yes po, I am Mr. Team Bulacan 2022. Title po. Mr. Team Bulacan 2022.
Kasi dami pageants sa Bulacan eh, meron rin po.
Yes po, madami na po ngayon.
May singkaban.
May singkaban po and Harry at Reyna.
Oo, di ba? Where they can follow you in social media accounts?
So yun guys, I hope you follow me in Facebook account. My Facebook account is Matt Aldrich Gregorio and IG account is Matt Gregorio _12.
Please invite them to your competition.
So guys, I hope you support me in our journey in Mr. International Philippines 2024 and thank you for supporting.
May lahi ka ba? Are you
Wala po, pero yung lola ko po is Spanish. So parang medyo nakuha-kuha ko na rin po. Parang ako po yung nakakuha siguro.
Thank you.
Thank you po, thank you po.